Good morning, this is Chris Blanks with Paragon Inspection, and today I want to talk to you about a few of the additional services we offer in addition to a typical home inspection, which includes structural, plumbing, electrical, roofing, foundation, things of that nature. We also inspect for irrigation, do swimming pool inspections, infrared inspections, and another one of the most important inspection services that we offer is for termites, especially here in Texas. So today, I want to give you an example of a home here we found that does have an active infestation of termites. And this is how you notice on the outside on the foundation, you see these mud tubes right here. I've already broken this one open during the first part of the inspection this morning. But that's how these guys make it from the soil up into your house, oftentimes without you ever noticing. And if that infestation is continued to allow uninterrupted and without being treated, eventually you'll start to see signs within the house. So looking inside this house, this is an interior closet for one of the bedrooms, and you'll see that the termites have tunneled their way to the extent that they made it to the sheetrock in this closet. You'll see some of the dirt that looks very similar to the dirt that you saw on the outside that they used to build their tunnels, and they're working their way through the paper and the gypsum within that sheetrock there. So keep us in mind for all your inspection needs, but please keep in mind also, in addition to a typical inspection, additional inspection services such as termite inspections can be very useful and help protect your investment. Give us a call at 888-400-2494. Thanks and have a great day.